Well, Elizabeth, thank you for joining us with a flavor of what those conversations are like.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you from Goldman Sachs Asset Management.
Let's turn to Boeing this morning. As part of its earnings announcement today, they named a new CEO, and that conference call kicked off just about half an hour ago. Our Phil LeBeau has more on what we know about this change in leadership. Hey again, Phil.
Hey, Carl, they're just now getting into the details of the call. We'll get the Q&A from the analysts with regard to the quarter. And with regard to the new CEO, they did acknowledge it at the top of the call. Kelly Ortberg will be taking over the company. He moves into the CEO position next week. During the conference call, here's what outgoing CEO Dave Calhoun had to say about Kelly Ortberg.
I'm extremely confident in their selection of Kelly as the next leader for Boeing. He's had more than 35 years of experience in aerospace and is tremendously respected in the industry. I look forward to working with him to ensure a smooth transition.
And again, this starts next week for Kelly Ortberg. What's his track record? Well, he ran Rockwell Collins as the CEO from 13 through 21. And between 13 and 18, they had 14% annual revenue growth. That was the annual revenue growth rate between 13 and 18. Then he oversaw Rockwell's merger with United Technologies. And it's important to note here, Rockwell Technologies, a big supplier to both commercial aviation as well as the defense business. The commercial aviation business, we know what the issue is at Boeing. This is a company that in the last quarter basically said, look, we have a lot of issues here, but we're slowly getting things improved when it comes to the 737 MAX. By the way, today the company affirmed that it plans to get to production on a monthly basis of 38 MAXes per month by the end of the year. And when it comes to the 787, 5 per month by the end of the year. In terms of the second quarter, look, they missed on the top and the bottom line, and it wasn't a pretty quarter. But I'm not sure that's going to have much of an impact on shares. Everybody knew that it was going to be one of those quarters. They lost $2.90 a share. The street was expecting a loss of $1.97. Revenue shy of expectations, coming in at $16.87 billion. And then there's the question of the long-term free cash flow target of generating $10 billion annually by the end of next year. Boeing has not taken that target off the table. Don't be surprised if that changes under Kelly Ortberg. Look, they've already lost, about $8.3 billion? You know, if you look at the free cash flow for this year, negative $8.3 billion, more than a few people think that target will have to go away. It's just not realistic to hit it by the end of next year.